The showcase on Nightmare Huggy Wuggy. This room isn't actually the thing in the real version, but I am going to make the hospital beds like over here. Here's the TV, and I'll get into that later, but here is the normal Nightmare Huggy Wuggy puppet. You could see he has the like sharp teeth, the pointy horns, and these fingers are made of pipe cleaners. They have like pose abilities, so like you can pose them, and also in the limbs they do. So I think this looks pretty cool. Okay, now that we're done with that, I will show this. So this is just a normal room. Here's the TV. It has "Guilt Awaits You," and on this side, it has. I don't think you could see that, but it says "I see you" in deep sleep down there. And on this side, you could see the Playtime logo. That was my attempt on trying to make the entire thing black. And here's a poster of Dog Day. Like it says, like, play right there. The reason why there's so much blood is like somebody like fell down and then like started to walk up the vent, then Catnap like slammed them down, and then their head is over here, their arms over there, some skin. So he did not make it out, and it shows Catnap was here. And this was from Catnap, and this was just a kid that drew it. On the bottom there is detailing, but it's like still stapled. By the way, I used only these paint markers. I just gonna put this on. So I used the staple, no tape. I even stapled this corner. I bent the staple. He has his bow right there, but it's kind of covered in staples, but that's fine. So his back is bendable because there is pipe cleaner in there. Here's the back. Pretty cool. So I did make Catnap and Mommy Longlegs, but that is for another video. So anyways, if you want to see more showcases like this, make sure to like and subscribe, please. And I'll make new videos. So, yeah. Bye.